got a cheap eBay gun, about 60 bucks. You've got 2 pots. There's 04, 06, 2mm. Just a cheap ass regulator with trap. Just going to use SEA gear. They didn't have the septome in the beige, so I'll just do a grey. It's only a budget sort of spray job, so see how it goes. It's got a line coming down. I bought a Black Ridge compressor. I'll do a review on it if you just want. Something to do, see how they work or not. Yeah. Let's get started on the bonnet. These DAs are alright, they're super cheap as well. CV. They all look the same. I mean, they're different colours and branding, but they're all pretty much the same. This was 80 bucks, I think. I had a Bunnings one before. That was alright. So the bearing went on it. This one seems to be holding up. The bearings get all rattly and grindy. Yeah. Rightio. Get these washer nozzles out. Put these on that clip. And lost forever in the abyss of under the house. It's like when you drop a nut and you can't find the bloody thing forever. Oh well. Let's got some new ones on here. That's it there. Nozzle. Just gonna hit this off with some 80 grit. And then 80. Oh. Yeah, 80. And then etch this. Some people etch before they put filler in. But I'm only using the 1K or whatever it is. It's alright, works alright. You just mist it on. There you go, mist it. So, cause sometimes it fries up when it hits other bits. So, anywhere I've hit metal, I'll etch over it, just so I've got something to stick to, and so it doesn't rust. So you can see the old primer there, it's like a galv type thing. It's really good, these old rodeos, they don't rust. Not really, not unless the coat's been hit. I've had 3 rodeos now, and none of them have really had any rust at all, maybe a little in the frame. You want to give these cans a good shake. See how there's dings on there? That's when you know you've given it a shake. Especially cheap shit ones. That had etch primer on it before, but it's been out in the weather for a month or so, and I just wanted to see if it rusted. And it didn't, it was fine. It was just 1K etch, 1K primer. This bit here where a patch was exposed, and it rusted a bit. But yeah, that's fine. I just want to, I'm using my left hand, so I just want to kind of dust this shit on. Just kind of build it up. Start going grey, get it tacky and dust it on. Lay it on too thick, it'll fry up on the edges. Hello, Bobby. Gotta mow the lawn one day. It's alright. Gotta make sure. Just kind of dust it on. Otherwise it lift up a bit. Reacts because there's acid in it. Primer. It's got a lot in it, so kind of encase it so it doesn't rust. In case I want to go down the shop. The old beast in primer. $180 litres per minute. 40 litre tank, oil filled. It's pretty good. Here it is. Oh, excuse me. Here it is here. There's all brass fittings. What do we call it? Brass fitting and copper. 2 valves. Just gonna go out the window downstairs. It's noisy as buggery. Just ripped the sticker off. Came with wheels and a stand thingy, and I just throw that crap in the bin. I couldn't be fucked. Just keep it in one spot. I'm gonna check the oil. It's above that dot. Should go right. You'll screw that in. It's a little vent, I presume, in case it gets too hot. That's the air inlet. These are good. I had a blue one, a grey now, and the blue one lasted me for years. It was really good. So I thought I'd get another one. Chuck them in. This is just my ghetto spare room. I kept this on the passenger side. It's an external popper. The door's off, you shouldn't be able to open it. It's a manual popper. I thought, you know, if the battery runs dead or there's an emergency or something, you'd be able to get some, what do you call it, pliers, pop it up and open the door. But yeah, that shade's alright, it's pretty good. And we'll just need one more hit of primer, a little high build, and that should be right. Cops will be all over me probably, so I engineer it, especially in primer driving around with no all shaved and peep mirrors, limo tints. But anyway, I think that's got a clear window in it. Should be good. So it's got a primer over it. There's a couple of fire spots. I just threaded those out. Good. I didn't ever notice them before. That's why it's good to put a guy coat. I wouldn't usually worry about guy coat, but there's a hood. Well, you look at it every day, don't you? A big din in the middle of the bloody thing, and you get shitty at yourself for not doing a good job, or half decent job. Yeah, that's right, alright too. Shit in there. Right. In hindsight, I probably could have just sanded straight on that, so we didn't even need to prime that. It doesn't matter. I want to spray a darker colour, so it might help with my coverage. I'll mix a pot of this shit up. High build primer filler from Super Cheap. They didn't have the Septone in the beige. I don't know whether they're not stocking it anymore. And try to use acrylic thinners. I found that's good. Multi-purpose shit also you can use. quite good though. It's gonna fill up a bit of a pot and start laying on it. Probably spill it everywhere. Probably a bit less than half. Chuck some thinners in. Might be a bit thick, but you're right. No filters in there, don't need to strain it. Stick it as buggery. Take this top off too if you... See you later. Pots are cheap shit, so you just toss it after I use it. That's about a pot in that high build, about 400mm odd, just to build it up because I knocked it a load off the front there. I'll just feather along here and prime the rest of the hood. Should be right. Waited about 20 minutes. And I'm just going to use some P400 to feather this shit out. It's like a bit, pick that up, it's like a sandy there. That out so it's smooth, and I'll prime the rest of the bonnet. That's the first full coat. One thing just to be careful with this super cheap auto stuff, it's the first time I've used it. It feels off, like it feels you know, like off. See where I've put my fingers on it hard, it's dented. You see how much I've built it up. I should be able to block that off. Besides that, everything else is smooth. It's still a bit wet, so these are wet spots. I'll do one more coat and that should be right, and I'll block it off. There's one spot where there was a ding that I filled. And you can't see it. It's just not quite right, but I'm hoping that'll block off. Yeah. Where is it? So this is that one there in the shop. From a filler from Super Cheap. It's alright, I mean it's alright. It's alright. It's 25 bucks a can, I think. The Etch was 10, and Guide Coat was 10. There was a multi for 2 for 20, I think. This gun's alright too, it's been going alright. 60 bucks. You know, that was delivered. Took a week to get here. Yeah. Just giving that a last coat. Just giving that a last coat And then just a quick rub down. With some 400, just a quick once over. It's lovely. It's not too bad, that primer filler actually. Just a soft block, just real gentle rub down. It's still pretty gummy, you know. Make sure don't push too hard. It's built up quite good. So I'll block it probably. I'll see how it looks tomorrow. Leave it overnight and yeah, it came out alright. I mean, that was the cheapest one in the shop, the cheapest primer filler pretty much. So, give it a wet sand maybe tomorrow. We'll see how we go. I've got a couple of guards there I bought from Super Cheap. Haven't got any blinker holes. Saved me welding, shaving the stock guards, but my stock guards were shit anyway. So they're aftermarket ones. I think they were. Sure, I think they were 100 delivered each, so it was 200 delivered for the two, obviously. Oh, pretty good. That's not bad. Alright, radio. There's the hood prep. Got a couple of shaved doors there that I've shaved already. And primer. I'm going to do something about there. And a manual popper. Fucking stupid. Here's the other one. I ordered some peak mirrors and